It is getting.
This is a tornado that rolled through our county. It was rolling east. We had sirens going off. A lot of incredible stuff. This is some footage from inside. I'll open up the door at a point, but the audio is kind of crappy because the wind was blowing so much it just kind of waddles in and out. Check it out if you like it. Good. If not, move on. Thanks. The RadDad.
At least this kind of wind in a couple of years. It's been pretty incredible. I saw a tornado up in Michigan in 23, so. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that door open and stand back a little bit and see if I can't. Look at this wind. This is incredible. This is incredible. It's so crazy too because when I'm sitting and looking at the sky from over here, it looks so dark and so ominous, and I look at it on my camera and I can like see everything so much clearer. Wow. Yeah, did you hear it yank that door? Did you hear it yank the door? It is pulled tight. It has a screen in it, so I mean it's just drawing and pulling air. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, if there's another cot back there, feel free. You guys should be pretty comfortable. We just had dinner and dessert. Yeah, I just don't want you guys to be by the door because if someone was to blow this way, then. But otherwise, everything is. I mean, we're doing what we need to do. See if I can get that without getting soaked. This is about a 40-foot oak tree here. And it is just getting wrecked. I know you saw a car go down there, but pull back a little bit. I can see out down the street a little more clearly. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. Still got it going. Sure if that alarm is dying off or this past us. They think it's past us, but it is blowing like nobody's business over here. You can hear that or not in the background. Can't really see anything this way. It's a mulberry tree. Sorry about the camera angle here. I'm trying to. Alright, I'm going to switch back over to the GoPro.